doesn't wish for sunny days, that the sky above us would never turn gray. But life isn't always sunshine. We have times that leave us asking why. And when the clouds rain and tears begin to fall, there must be a reason for it all. Redeemer of the rain, the Lord will never waste our pain. He brings beauty out of brokenness and hope to our heartaches, healing out of every hurt that invades our shattered world. We never walk through trials in vain. He's the Redeemer of the rain. Every problem that we face, considered by the Father, through hands of grace, He uses sorrow to draw us, to call us closer to His side. It's in the middle of the storm we learn to trust that He's always watching over us. Redeemer of the rain, the Lord will never waste our pain. He brings beauty out of brokenness and hope to our heartaches, healing out of every hurt that invades our shattered world. We never walk through trials in vain. He's the Redeemer of the rain. The dark days we walk through, they lead a path for others, lead them to the Redeemer of the rain. He brings beauty out of brokenness and hope to our heartaches, healing out of every hurt that invades our shattered world. We never walk through trials in vain. We've known His grace long enough to say He's the Redeemer